Hello, welcome to Liverpool Street. I'm just heading to platform 16 to see the class 315. And I've just run from, oh my gosh, what's the time? How many minutes have I got? I can see it now. Where on earth do I go? So I know there's all this commemorative event going on. I've had to touch in because I'm not allowed to go on the platform, which is departs, which I guess is fair enough. I don't know where their stand is, but maybe it's on board the train. Volunteers only, I don't know. There's the bit, I mean, I've been on these two before, don't know. It's just a bit different. There are people up the end of the platform. Greater Anglia are striking, I think. But I'm going to get the 10:30 if this departs on time. Otherwise, I don't know. Oh, but this one's going at 11, so I might just get on that. I don't know. Let's get up the end. Don't know when it's leaving, but film it leave from the end of the platform. Gosh, I literally ran from the underground station. There we go. Okay.
Welcome to the station.
CCTV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management.
Time for a bit of an update. I'm here at Stratford and well, I've got a while to wait for the 315 to come back, but there's a 345 which is not in service, which is going into Liverpool Street, and I think it's going to be stayed within the platform, so I'm going to wait here for that, and then the 315, and then I'll go back to Liverpool Street. 568 and 580. Excuse me. Well, spent a long time doing the Oyster card. We just saw the 315 come through, and now I'm waiting for the 11, whatever it is, something service to London Liverpool Street, and then I can see the 315. And yeah, it's quite difficult to go to many places because of the strikes and stuff, but I want to head back into Liverpool Street, see the stand they've got on platform 17, and then yeah, I'm a member,
This is a security message.
315 Preservation Society member, who never got their member card.
Or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Also, I wonder if someone has ever tried to text that emergency number and typed in an O instead of a 0. Really, if they do that, they should at least say that it is a 0 you're supposed to use.
9
What's happening
1143 Greater
one here?
Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Calling it London Liverpool Street
Oh,
only.
here's my one.
This train is formed of 12 coaches.
Dun 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 dun. This is very dirty, look at this. Well, I made it in, there's the train, and I'm waiting to buy some stuff. Oh look, that's the 315 thing there. Take a picture. I'm on 345060, which is stabled in platform 17, and I got myself the fridge magnet and the badge from the 315 Preservation Society, which the store is just behind me. Right, so here's the 315. I'm just going to get around. I do want to quickly take a picture of it. Right, well, I'm sorry for the big jumps in those clips. I had a lot to do, I still do. Not just 315 all day. And yeah, enjoy this video of me running. Because that was me earlier. Trying to run so I didn't miss the train leaving. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all the people who organised that event, because it was brilliant. Thank you to the Branch Line Society, 315 Preservation Society, MTR, whoever was involved, and yeah, and I met some cool people there too.